What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to look at a complete beginner's tutorial on GoHighLevel workflows. If you sign up for GoHighLevel using our affiliate link below, you'll unlock an exclusive extended 30-day free trial that's double the usual 14 days. Plus, we're throwing in over $2,000 worth of bonuses, including this landing page template. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so let's try to define what an automation or a workflow is first. So in Go High Level, automations are also known as workflows. So they are sequences of actions triggered by events. And this would allow businesses to automate repetitive tasks and streamline some processes like lead nurturing or lead generation, appointment scheduling, and even follow ups. All right. And for us to create workflows, we have to first go to your chosen sub account and go to the automation section and then go here, create workflow. So you have two options, either to select a recipe or start from scratch. So if you choose select a recipe, like other templates you would see in Go High Level, there are a lot of pre-built workflows that you have, depending on your goal, or depending on your desired output. There are a lot, so it's from simple to complex. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just start from scratch and show you how this works. So this is how your workflow builder looks like. So first, I would like to rename the workflow first. So let's say we are assisting a client who's running a big shop, and we're going to create a simple workflow for them to get customer information for their um, email marketing campaign. And in return, we are going to give our customers free cupcake coupons so they could also claim the free cupcakes whenever they visit the shop. So there are two goals here: get customers information and for our customers to visit our bake shop. So let's name this free cupcake lead capture. So as you can see, you have the builder, which is what we're seeing right now. The settings. This is where you configure the automation, like allowing re-entry, multiple opportunities, stop response, choosing the time zone. You can trigger it at a specific time that you want. Set default details like the name from email, phone number, if there are phone numbers registered for your SMS campaign, and mark as read, and also your enrollment history and execution log. So these two would just show you if your automation or your workflow worked. So let's go ahead and build this workflow. So first step is to add a new trigger. So we're going to have them fill out a form from our landing page. So search for the keyword and choose form submitted, and then add filter. Form is okay. So I already have the pre-built form here. Free cupcake lead capture, and then just save trigger. And then let's create an outcome. So I want to send an email containing the um, email marketing campaign and our free cupcake coupons. So click send email and fill out all the fields here. Enter the necessary information that you need to enter. All right, so we already entered all the necessary details for our action. So we already have our template. We already attached the free coupons. You can opt to enter a test email here, and then you can send a test email. But for now, we are going to test the automation itself. And then don't forget to put this in publish so your automation would work. All right, so we're now here on our landing page, and we're going to fill out the pop-up form. So let's click this. So I'm just gonna put our details. Let's put a valid email so we can check. And now we just flashed our thank you message, and then we are now going to check the email. All right, so we received the email from the bake shop, and here's the template, and here is the coupons that I created for the email template. So meaning our automation worked. All right, and a couple of more things that we need to check to make sure our automation worked is this. It says here total enrolled says 1, so it means that like what we saw on the email, so it worked. Let's also go to our forms and go to submissions, and you'll see that, and as you can see, we already captured the customer information, especially the email and the phone number for email and SMS marketing campaigns. All right, but I want to show you the existing recipes that we have, so you could also explore. So let's use this Instagram comment automation. So just click select, and we're going to configure this automation. So how this works is that whenever somebody comments on an Instagram post, there would be an action, an automated action. It could be responding to a comment or sending a message to that specific user. So let's see. But a few things first, you have to make sure that your Facebook and your Instagram is already integrated in your Go High Level account. This is already pre-set up, so you just have to select um, the page that you have, and post type is publish post. Post is, and then you just select whatever post you have. I already have this pre-existing post. You can turn this off, save trigger, and then edit the next one. You can add new responses. You can auto like comments and stuff. And then you can just save action. And then next is the message. So you can customize the message. All right. So here I customized the message. I attached a download link because I want to share a free ebook to the users that will interact. But let's just remove these. Don't need these for now. We don't want a button. We don't want quick replies. Maybe a thank you, just for testing purposes. And then wait step. So 1 minute for the next step to be triggered. Then just save action. Oh, and don't forget to publish and save. All right, let's test our automation by commenting on the Instagram post. So every time there is a comment on the Instagram post, the automation will be triggered. And as you can see, there was an automatic message reply to the user account that I was using. And there you have it. This is how automations work. They automate the repetitive tasks that you do manually. And in this tutorial, you just learned the basics of creating automation workflows. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And don't forget, if you're ready to try out Go High Level, use our affiliate link in the description to unlock an extended 30-day trial, over $2,000 worth of bonuses, and a free landing page template. See you in the next videos.